Hello and welcome to Jay's Helpful Videos. I'm getting ready to remove my pool cover, and in fact I actually have two pool covers on. One is my old pool cover, which sits on top, and that collects all the rainwater and all of the organic materials that collect on top of the pool cover. And then if you can see underneath, I have my new pool cover. I use some clips to hold both covers on. And in a little while, you'll see when I take the top old cover off, the new cover underneath is in really good shape. Using the old cover helps to protect the new cover underneath and really extends the life. This old cover's been on top for I've had it for about 5 or 6 years, and the new cover underneath I've had about 3 years. So helpful tip is, if you want to extend the life of your pool cover, save your old pool cover and put it on top to protect it from the sunlight and rain. So as you can see, I just pulled off my old cover on top, which was protecting my new cover underneath. You can see the new cover looks as brand new as it was when the day I bought it. The old cover helped to protect it from the sun, all the organic material that fell on it. So that's another helpful tip. Use your old cover on your pool to help protect your new cover. Please take time to like and subscribe to my other videos. Thanks.